So here is the anti-roll bar, and that's the anti-roll bar fixing, and this end is the anti-roll bar link. So we have a ball joint here and a nut here, and also as upper end we have a ball joint there, and there's the nut. On this side we have a nut over here. So to remove the link, we need to remove this nut and the nut at this joint here, at this anti-roll bar ball joint here. To remove the nut of the anti-roll bar link, we need a 16mm socket to remove this. You also need a 16mm open side wrench in order to hold this ball joint. So we can use the 16mm wrench to hold here, and while you're trying to loosen the nut, to take off the nut. So now I have put a spanner behind the bracket and just holding the ball joint flat, and I use a ratchet here. So one hand holding this and another hand move your ratchet, and you're going to get the nuts off. So at the moment just stopped by that spring, so it's still okay. If you don't have that broken spring, you just hold it. For the lower anti-roll bar link ball joint, I use this 16mm open and spanner to hold the ball joint, and because the space is limited, I use a 60mm socket, and it's a flexible joint here, and then I use the ratchet and connect it this way so that I can remove this with a limited space. So this is a broken anti-roll bar link on BMW E46. So this side is still fine. So this side you can see the ball joint actually pushed out from the lolly, and here and also on the top I think is broken as well. So it's pushed out of the lollipop, and this side seems still fine, and the boot and sealed very well. It should be like this, but this one, you see, that's definitely broken. So I'm going to replace with a better one.